Hi, my name is Adriana Marcela Tabaco Maldonado. I am 17 years old. I am a Korean nationality and I live in the municipal of Pittsburgh. My family is small. We make it up, my son Marcelo and yo and it. I am a student of agronomy career. I love horse riding and livestock. I I dislike people who discriminate against people who are from the country. 3 months ago, I went to a pet cadet, Agua Blanca, which is located in the municipality of Pittsburgh. It is 3 hours away on horseback. I went for a walk with a group of friends who want to walk the path and see cult station for push. The water in those days was mild. I have rarely had the opportunity to go on walks like this for my student and my son. Thank you.